Hey guys, so WetnWild recently launched a new line of liquid catsuit eyeshadows. There are some that are metallic, some that are matte, so if you guys are curious to see swatches and hear my thoughts about these products, then just keep watching. Okay, so I recently saw them in CVS on a display, so they're like seasonal limited edition items. And I think they had like 4 or 5 metallics and 4 or 5 matte shades. I picked up a handful of them. So let me show you the mattes first because they're the most interesting so far. They had like a plummy shade, this is like a nudie peach, and then like a yellow tone one, and these looked like concealers to me, so I was passing them by at first. But they're cream liquid eyeshadows, and they're surprisingly good. They smell a little funny. They smell like the glue paste that used to come in the tub that we used to use when we were little. Like you'd kind of scoop it out, it was like white and kind of chunky. It smells just like that. But I've used these a couple of times and I really like to use these to cut my crease. I've done it a couple of times. I prefer the kind of more yellow tone one just because it's brighter on me, but if you have a deeper skin tone, you might really like this one. This one is Putty in My Hands and the yellowish one is called Camelback. So these work really well for cutting the crease. Let me swatch them for you. Don't mind the lipstick stain on my hand. So here is Camelback. It's like a really nice kind of nudie shade for my skin tone. And then Putty in My Hands is more like the peachy one. And I've done this one all over my lid just by itself if I wanted a quick, easy a shadow day. Done that way, it will kind of settle in the crease. That is the one thing that I found with these, that if you use these matte ones as an all over lid shadow, it will settle into the crease, but I found that if I use them to cut the crease and just kind of on the lid, there's no problems. Now let's dive into the real beauties of the collection. Okay, so the ones with the white caps are the shimmer liquid eyeshadows, and I believe that the ones with the black caps are like the metallic liquid eyeshadows. There were 2 of these and maybe 4 or 5 of these total. So let's start with this one. I love this one. I've used it a couple of times. This one is Fairy Tale Ending, and it's like a light lavender with a gold shift. I mean, look at that color. It is beautiful. I love it. It's smooth and creamy. It reminds me a lot of the Stila Shimmer and Glow liquid shadows. I think they actually have one just like this. Yeah, I think they do have one that's like a duochrome purple gold, really beautiful, but these are like $4.99. Can't beat that price. Moving on to the metallic ones, this kind of green gold one is called Goldie Luxe, but to me this looks more green than it does gold, which is what I was looking for. I have a lot of golds. I wanted a green. So here we go, Goldie Love. You tell me, is this straight gold or does it look green to you? Definitely looks a little green to me. I've used this one a couple of times. I really love it. Again, beautiful color, really affordable. Love it. Next up is Shells and Whistles, and it's like a beautiful bronzy tone. I mean, they glide on so easily. They're so pigmented. And the last one, which is a really metallic kind of cool tone bronze, this one is called Cashmere Love. Beautiful. So as mentioned, I have tried these several different times, each color several different times. While I'm not blown away by the copper, it's really pretty. My favorites would have to be Goldie Luxe, this like green gold one, which is stunning. I haven't seen anything else like it. This Fairy Tale Ending, the purple gold one, because I just think the color is beautiful and it's definitely a dupe for one of the Stilas. And the Camelback for cutting the crease. So if you're looking for like an all over lid shimmer, I love these two. If you're looking for one to cut the crease and you have similar skin tone to me, I would highly recommend this one. Kind of doubles as a concealer, I guess, if this is your skin tone for canceling out things on the eyelids. So those are my thoughts of these liquid catsuit shadows from WetnWild. Again, here are the swatches of the 2 mattes and the 4 shimmer shades that I have. Hope you guys found this helpful. Check out your local CVS to see if they're popping up in stores near you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.